Mm.
And gusto kong malaman yung side mo on this one. Meron ka bang dumarating ba yung point na nagzo-zone out ka? Kasi here's my thing eh. Like every time ito lang sa akin every time that I'm outside of the stage, I feel like I'm a different person.
Mhm.
And then pag nandun na ako sa stage, I feel like it's like an automatic thing na parang this is not me. Like this is different personality. Dumarating ka ba sa point na parang ganun na parang aside from enjoying the gig, kumbaga parang nakakalimutan mo na like what's happening?
Zoning out. Actually yun yung tinuturo sa akin ni Mr. Jotay nung nandoon kami sa gig na parang dapat pag nasa gig, nasa stage ka, iba kapag nasa baba. Pero
Mm.
for me, it's very different. I don't know if I have to continue or I have to change it. Pag ako napunta doon sa events place, yung buong events place is my stage. So what you see on me, na nanonood, ine-enjoy si Saikularia habang tumutugtog, ganun ako sa stage. I mean,
Mm.
makasalubong mo ako sa restroom, bibiruin kita, makasabay mo akong umorder ng beer. That's pidjong, literally. Pero kunyari, makasalubong mo ako sa mall or makatrabaho mo ako, it's very different. Makikita mo yung heaven and hell nung ano ko. Mapagbiro pa rin naman ako sa labas, pero iba, siguro mas uptight si Pidjong
Mm.
outside performance. Pero that's it, siguro, yun to answer your question. Uh, Whenever I'm in the place, we've been invited na tumugtog doon. I consider everything doon sa events place, kahit sa parking, that's my stage. So that's how I want you to see me. Mapagbiro ako, maingay ako, makulit ako. Pagka medyo nakakainom, dumodoble yung kulit. So gusto ko na parang doon ako makita ng tao. So that's
Yeah,
parang
yeah,
ganun.
yeah. Kasi it's not really implying like you have a different persona. It's literally like your second personality.
Mhm.
Kumbaga, your second identification. Kasi I firmly believe and I agree na I'm very different at home. I'm very different with, doing this podcast.
Mm, mm,
Kasi with doing this podcast, I want to understand who you are.
mm.
And then iba rin ako pag nasa stage or nasa gig kasi I'm just there to kumbaga as a bassist, I'm there to support the group to make sure that everyone dances.
Mhm.
So kumbaga kaya naniniwala ako dun sa idea na it's not really like you're impersonating a different person. It's actually who you are. It's just an extension of like your personality. It's just being, alam mo yun, parang nababago lang siya when it comes to places and themes and stuff like that.
Mhm.
But I wanna get your